Overview and highlights. Manufacturer, Shenzhen ENGINEAI Robotics, lead by Zhao Tongyang. Founded October 2023, unveiled December 2024 at CES 2025, is a smaller sibling to the full-size SE01 open-source design, includes hardware, firmware, and training deployment code for general use. Size and specs. Height, approximately 1.38 meters, 4.5 feet. Weight, approximately 40 kilograms, 88 pounds. Degrees of freedom, 23 to 24. Total arms, 5 DF. Legs, 6 DOF. Wrist, waist, neck joints, waist rotation. Full 320 swivel joint torque. Peak around 145 Nm per joint with high force density. Module speed, natural bipedal gait up to 2 meters per second, approximately equals 4.5 miles per hour. Key features. First, humanoid, to perform a forward somersault front flip. A feat more complex than a backflip due to forward momentum and visual landing uncertainty. Dual chip architecture. Intel N97 CPU plus NVIDIA Jetson Orin GPU for high-performance onboard computing perception sensors. Intel RealSense D435i depth. Camera plus ultrasonic and LiDAR options. Interaction layer. Chest-mounted display plus multi-array microphones and surround speakers. Open source for developers. Entire training pipeline and deployment code shared. Supports x86 and Orin platforms. Uses flexible hardware interfaces, USB RJ45 LiDAR, etc. Enabling sensors and add-ons. Pricing and availability. Introductory price USD 13,700 tilde, RMB 88,000 until at least March 2025. Aimed at commercial and educational use. all-about-industries.com, +1 hkmabo.com, +1 comparable context. Cheaper and smaller than full-sized. SE01 and competitors like Unitree G1. Significance and outlook. Demonstrates extraordinary agility, forward flip plus natural gait plus rapid movement with a relatively compact, lightweight design. Being open source, it's a platform well suited for research, educational institutions, and developers interested in embodied AI and robotic locomotion. Marks growing momentum in China's humanoid robotics. SE01 in July 2024, SE01 in October 2024, PM01 in December 2024. Bottom line, the ENGINEAI PM01 stands out as a highly capable, agile, and affordable open-source humanoid robot. With its robust physical performance, especially the front flip, it paves the way for innovative research, education, and prototyping in bipedal robotics and embodied AI. Curious about its performance footage or how it compares to, say, 01? I can pull up videos or dive deeper. Just let me know.